For remove or delete virtual machine from VMware, it's very easy. Just right click on the machine which you want to delete, and first of all you see where the VM file is on save, the CentOS 9. Here our file is saved. Before delete from here, we just remove from VMware Workstation, and now click on remove, and now it's removed. But you can see the VMware file is there. So if you want to completely delete on the virtual machine, so you can also delete from here. Now it's completely remove the virtual machine.